What's up, everyone? It's Anthony B. Johnson here. I'm glad you're here. Today, I'm going to be taking you guys on a very special home tour in San Dimas. This property is 1641 Brasada Lane. Now, before we even go through the front door, I want you guys to notice the setting. This home is located inside the Brasada Estates, a private guard-gated hillside community. It's quiet, it's elevated, peaceful. It feels like people actually look out for you, but you still get to get your privacy. You also have the views and a lot of breathing room. Now, instead of going directly into the property, I decided to span around so you guys can check out the exterior, the side, the backyard. So I'm just gonna walk around this entire thing so you can get a nice, good glimpse of exactly what all this property has to offer from outside. One of the first things I noticed about this property is it doesn't feel like another beautiful house. It is beautiful, but it feels like a retreat. You tucked away in the hills. You got a sense of privacy. You have the views. You still have everything that makes San Dimas such a desirable place. It's really close. Great neighborhoods, relaxed lifestyle. Yeah, and that Southern California indoor-outdoor feeling. This is a brand new luxury home. It's approximately 4,476 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms, 5 baths, and it sits on a really generous lot of over half acre. So right away, you're gonna get space, comfort, privacy, and it's new construction. And it's not always easy to find a mature, established area like San Dimas. I mean, first impressions are everything. This property is clean, it's elegant, it's modern. And you see in the front of that, right? It has a strong presence without feeling like it's too overdone. The architecture feels fresh, the lines are clean, and the home gives you that luxury feel before you even step inside. One of the things I always like to point out when touring a home is that the luxury is not just about size, it's about how the home makes you feel. This must feel peaceful when you arrive. As soon as you come inside, you're welcome with bright, open layout with high ceilings and you in a really comfortable flow. This is the kind of entry that sets the tone immediately. It's open, it's elevated. It gives you a sense of I've arrived when you walk into the property. It's a nice little Harry Potter closet. It feels really inviting. Sometimes high-end homes can feel a little too normal. Almost like you're not supposed to touch anything. This one has elegance, but it also feels like a home where where real life can happen. Nice bathroom. I like that front entry room. You can come straight in and decompress. Look, here's that 3-car garage. That's the first garage door, but then it has a little breezeway where you can access the other 2 cars. Look at that. You can imagine you have family coming over, friends gathering, holidays being hosted here, or just a quiet evening, enjoying your space. Let's talk about this main living area. Look, this great room is really the heart of the home. You have beautiful open concept, lots of natural light, high ceilings, and a fireplace that gives you space, warmth, character. I like it. This room is where I think the home really starts to show its personality. It's big enough to entertain, but it doesn't feel cold. You have a room for a large sectional, multiple seating areas, and you can really design this space around the way your family lives. I always tell my clients, like, when you're looking at homes, don't just look at the square footage. Like, ask yourself, how does this space actually live? Because two homes, they can have the exact same square footage but feel chopped up and awkward, while the other one feels open, natural, and easy. This one, for me, it hits the easy flow. Pantry. Here's that access to the other two-car garage, the other two car spaces. It looks like it's only a 2-car garage, right? But like, I'm gonna step in here so you can see exactly where that little breezeway is that connects it to the third parking space. Right there. Now look at this kitchen. It's definitely one of the major highlights to the room as well. Yeah, that's the kind of lifestyle people really want here. It's not just about bedrooms and bathrooms. They're buying the peace, the privacy. They're buying a place you can come home to and just exhale. Look at that. I'm still stuck in this kitchen. Spacious, open. It's nice. Get that large island over there. Like, if you like to entertain, or if you have like a busy household, this is the kind of space that really makes a difference. The primary bedroom should feel like a retreat within a retreat. This one has that feeling, right? It's spacious. You get the fireplace in there, which has really like that nice luxury touch. Walk-in closet. Style bathroom. Like, this is the kind of room where you can start your morning quietly, like unwind at the end of the day and really feel separated from like the busyness of the rest of the house. Yeah, again, what stands out to me is the balance. Here's this room is large, but it doesn't feel empty. Laundry. Let's check it out. Yep, it gives you the space. You can create your own little sanctuary in here. Got the bathroom that's in here as well. That's perfect. Like, you can imagine that bed set up. Nice little seating area. Like, this home gives you a luxury presentation, but also it pays attention to like the practical side of everyday living. I had to spend in that living room, that great room again. Get the dining space. Like, with 4 bedrooms and 5 baths, the layout gives you a lot of flexibility. Luxury homes today have to do more than just look good. Like, it has to support the way people actually live. A lot of people work from home. A lot of families need guest space. Some buyers want a private office or a creative studio, and like others want that extended family room. So I'm going to show you this up here. This is one of the major selling points of the property, which is this flex room up here. Like, what I like is that this property gives you options. You're not boxed in. You can make the rooms fit your lifestyle. That's something I always want to encourage people to think about when they're getting ready to tour a home or they're getting ready to purchase a home. Don't just ask how many rooms does it have. Ask could I actually use these rooms? Could one of them become an office? Could one become a little guest suite like this one, which is so nice? It could become a hobby room, a study space, a wellness room. Like, that's where the home really starts to feel personal. Look at that. That's beautiful right there. That was one of my favorite parts of this property. And then the windows too, like letting all of that natural light in feels, it just feels warm. This is one of the windows right here, for me, is a large part of the value. Yeah, but this Brasada Estates is the second property I've toured here. That guarded feel gives you like that extra, a sense of security. Like, when people are shopping in the luxury range, the neighborhood matters. Buyers want privacy, they want security, they want a community that feels well kept. There are a few vacant lots or houses that haven't been built, so the Brasada Estates still isn't like 100 complete done. But I mean, overall, this property, I give it a 10 out of 10. Let me know how you guys feel. And once again, thank you for touring this property with me. Peace.